Good morning students. Today I will start about the fill in the blanks and S.A.Q part from your board book. Page number 134 and sum number C. Fill in the blanks. Okay. The first one is all angles in the same segment are. Number 1, fill in the blanks. All angles in the same segment. So if I will draw a circle and take one segment. So now take any 3 angles on that segment. Any 3. Now what is the relation among those? You know already that all of them are equal. Okay. Whenever I will take any angle on the same segment, that will be equal. So the answer will be equal or same. Any one you can write. All the angles lying on the same arc or the same segment are equal or same. Now fill in the blanks number 2. What is given here? If the line segment joining 2 points. So first I will take one line segment joining 2 points. Subtends equal angle at 2 other points. Now take 2 other points. Subtend equal angle. That means both of these angles are equal. Now what is the relation between these 4 points? It is obvious that they will be concyclic. Because one theorem is there that if I will take in a circle, both the angles are lying on the same segment or the same arc. So they should be equal. That's why these 4 points are concyclic. That means 4 points are lying on the circumference of the same circle. So they are called concyclic. The answer will be concyclic. What is the meaning of the word concyclic? This means that 4 points are lying on the circumference of one circle. Now number 3. If 2 angles on the circle formed by 2 arcs are equal, then the lengths of arcs are. I will take one circle here and 2 equal arcs also I will take A, B and C. Now it is given here that A, B and B, C. 2 arcs are there such that if I will take 2 angles, these 2 angles are equal. So what is the relation between AB and BC? They will be also equal. Why? The same concept is there because the angles lying on the same arc or same length arc both are equal here. So if these 2 angles are equal, that means the length of the arc will be also equal. So here the lengths of the arcs are equal or same. Any one you can write. Please follow this one properly. Then I will start the S.A.Q part. So S.A.Q number 1. That is 13. Draw the figure properly, otherwise you can't get the sum. AC is the diameter here. DE is parallel to AC. Join DC and one more point is there, B. Now what is given? O is the center of the circle, AC is diameter and chord DE is parallel to AC. If angle CBD equals to 60 degree, CBD equals to 60, that means CBD, this one is 60 degree. Find the value of angle CDE. we have to find this angle. Now since these two lines are parallel, that means angle CDE equals to angle ACD. Why? Because both of them are alternate angles, and we know if two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. So angle CDE and angle ACD both are same here. Now one more thing, if I will join AB, what is the angle here? 90 degree, because we know that semicircular angle is 90. So if the whole one is 90 and angle DBC equals to 60, so the smaller one will be 30 degree, and angle ABD, angle ACD, both of them are lying on the same arc AD. So if this one is 30, that one will be also 30 degree. And if angle ACD is 30, angle CDE will be also 30 degree, because both of them are alternate angles. So first I will write down angle ABC equals to 90 degree. Here the reason you will write semicircular angle is 90. Therefore angle ABD equals to 90 minus 60, that will be 30 degree. So angle ABD equals to 30 degree. Now angle ABD and angle ACD, both of them are lying on the same arc AD. That's why this one will be also 30 degree. Write down the reason here properly, that both of them are lying on the same arc AD. You will write in full. Okay. Now, so angle ACD equals to angle CDE. Write down alternate angles here, and here AC parallel DE. Therefore, angle CDE equals to 30 degree. Write down the reason properly. Now number 2. I will draw the figure. Please draw the figure properly. I am telling repeatedly that this one, that if you will not draw the figure properly, you can't get the sum. QR P. S. And this one is O. What is given? QS is the bisector of the angle PQR. QS is the bisector. That means both of them are equal. Next, if angle SQR equals to 35 degree, SQR equals to 35 degree. Already I said QS is the bisector. That means if this one is 35 degree, angle PQS will be also 35 degree. Angle PRQ equals to 32 degree. Now it is very easy. We have to find angle QSR. This one we have to find. Now follow properly. If angle PQR, this one I will get 70, and angle PRQ 32 degree. So 180 minus 70 minus 32, I will get this angle, angle QPR. And you know that angle QPR and angle QSR, both of them are lying on the same arc QR. So they are equal. Now I will start. So angle SQR equals to 35 degree equals to angle PQS. You will write down here the reason, that QS is the angle bisector of angle PQR. Next, therefore we can say that angle PQR equals to 35 degree plus 35 degree, that means 70 degree. So angle QPR equals to, means this one, 180 degree minus 70 minus 32 degree, and this one will be 110 minus 32, that means 78 degree. Now angle QPR equals to 78. So angle QSR, that will be also 78, because both of them are lying on the same arc QR. So angle QPR equals to angle QSR equals to 78 degree. Write down the reason here. Both of them are lying on the same arc QR. Write in whole. Now sum number 3. AB is the diameter, CD is just a chord, it is not the diameter, okay. CD is a chord and AB and CD are perpendicular to each other, it is given. So O is the center of the circle, AB is diameter. If AB and CD are mutually perpendicular to each other, angle ADC equals to 50 degree. This one is 50 degree. We have to find angle CAD. You have to find this one. Now for this sum, you can apply any one of two methods. I will say the two methods, but which one is better, which one is easier for you, you will take that. So number 1, this one 90. It is given already. AB and CD are perpendicular. So if this one is 90 and this one is 50, we can say that this angle will be 40, because we know 180 minus 90 minus 50. That one will be 40 degree. Now one more thing we can say, that if angle DAB is 40 degree, angle DCB, this one will be also 40 degree. What is the reason? Because both of them are lying on the same arc DB, and this one is semicircular angle, so 90 degree. That means this one is also 50. Now this one is 50, this one is again 90, so it is 40 degree. That means 40 plus 40, 80 degree. I will repeat once more. This one is 50, it is given here. So 50 and this one is perpendicular, means 90. So 180 minus 90 minus 50. That one is 40. Now both of them are lying on the same arc BD, because angle DAB and angle DCB lying on the same arc BD. So if this one is 40 degree, that one will be also 40. Now the whole angle is 90, because AB is the diameter and we know that semicircular angle is 90. So if one part is 40 and the whole one is 90, this one will be 90 minus 40, 50. So again 90 plus 50, that is 140. So 180 minus 140 means 40 degree. The whole angle will be 80. This one is number 1 method. Number 2. First you have to do this one. It is just like the previous one, means 50, 90, 40. Now I will prove that both the triangles are congruent. How will I prove? We know that 3 conditions we require for that. So first one, both the angles are 90 degree. Number 2, this is the common side. If I will take, suppose this one is P, it is for the second method, okay, not for the first one. If I will take both the angles are 90, number 1. Number 2, AP is the common side. And number 3 also we can say that CP equals to PD. Why? Because we know that if I will draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord, then the chord will be bisected. I am repeating once more. If I will draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord, then the chord will be bisected. That's why we can say CP equals to PD. Then by SAS congruency we can say both the triangles are congruent. Therefore, these two angles will be also equal. So, if it is 40 degree, this one will be also 40. That means 40 plus 40 equals to 80. I am doing here the second one. That means angle APD equals to 90 degree. Angle PDA equals to 50 degree. Therefore, angle DAP equals to 180 degree minus 90 minus 50. That means 40 degree. Okay. Now I will prove the congruency. So, in triangle APD and triangle ACP, number 1 we can say that angle APD equals to angle APC equals to 90 degree. Number 2, AP is the common side. Number 3 we can say that CP equals to PD. Here you will write down the reason that perpendicular from O bisects the chord CD. Okay, perpendicular from O bisects the chord CD. Therefore, triangle APD is congruent to triangle ACP. What is the law of congruency used here? Side angle side. Therefore, angle CAP equals to angle DAP, and that one is also 40 degree. So, we need the whole one. That means angle CAD equals to 40 plus 40, 80 degree. And here you will write it is by CACT. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. And also you can use the number 1 method. It's up to you which one you will apply. Now the next one. It is number 4. Draw the diagram properly, okay? And then write down A, B, D, C. And now you have to join AD. So, take the center here. Whenever you will draw the circle, please use compass. O is the center of the circle, AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. If angle ABC equals to 32 degree, we have to find angle BDC. Now first try to understand, then you will copy. AB equals to AC given. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle, and we know that corresponding opposite angles of the equal sides are also equal. So 32 means this one will be 32. Now, if I will find what is the angle here. Now, this one is not 90 degree. Why? Because BC is not the diameter. We have to find 180 degree minus 32 into 2. That means 64 degree. So, it will be 116 degree. That means the angle is 116 degree. We know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, angle BAC plus angle BDC equals to 180 degree because opposite angles are supplementary, that's why. So angle BDC equals to 180 degree minus 116 degree, 64 degree. So this angle will be 64 degree. I will repeat once more. Since AB equals to AC, we can write angle ABC equals to angle ACB. Okay, and this one is also 32 degree. Therefore, angle BAC equals to 180 degree minus 64 degree, because we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this one will be 116 degree. Next we will write angle BAC plus angle BDC equals to 180 degree. Here write down the reason. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle BDC equals to 180 degree minus 116 degree, that means 64 degree. Now it is the answer.